is a chook pen slash bird cage which has been infested by honeybees. Let's take a look. They've made their hive inside. As we can see, the bees are coming in and out of the small gaps in the door. These have just arrived on their own over the last few days. I don't want to get too close because I have a phobia for bees. That will be the end of this recording.